The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Amazing Branson views from this 8-unit furnished motel/apartment/living quarters, or weekly rental units. All rooms are furnished and have their own full bath. Laundry facility on site. Storage shed included. Perfect location for storage units and many other possibilities. Property sits on 1.13 acres and is located 2 miles from Highway 65, extremely close to College of the Ozarks, and within 10 minutes of New Branson Airport. Excellent investment opportunity. Currently used as a weekly rental. Call today for a private showing.